Do you dream of achieving your fitness goals without stepping out of your house? Imagine a routine that fits perfectly into your schedule, saves you time, and delivers incredible results. What if I told you that weight loss could be as simple as a few carefully chosen exercises you can do right at home? In this video, I'll share 5 of the most effective exercises for weight loss that require no fancy equipment and can be adapted to any fitness level. Let's get started. Exercise 1: Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that burns calories, improves cardiovascular fitness, and builds strength. This high-intensity movement combines squats, push-ups, and jumps into one seamless motion, targeting multiple muscle groups and boosting your metabolism. Burpees are especially effective for weight loss because they elevate your heart rate quickly, making them a powerful calorie burner. They also engage your core, legs, arms, and back, promoting muscle development while shedding fat. To perform a burpee, stand upright, then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, jump your feet forward again, and leap into the air with your arms raised. Repeat this movement for 10 to 15 repetitions or as many as you can manage. With consistent practice, burpees can help you torch calories and build endurance. Exercise 2: Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a classic exercise that's simple, effective, and perfect for at-home workouts. This cardio exercise gets your heart pumping, burns calories, and engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, arms, and core. The beauty of jumping jacks lies in their versatility. They require no equipment, making them easy to incorporate into any workout routine. They also improve your coordination and stamina over time. To perform jumping jacks, stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead, then quickly return to the starting position. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds to build cardiovascular fitness and burn calories. Exercise 3: Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an excellent way to combine cardio and strength training. This dynamic movement engages your core, shoulders, arms, and legs, making it a full-body workout. Mountain climbers are highly effective for weight loss because they raise your heart rate and target the abdominal muscles, helping to tone your midsection while burning fat. Additionally, they improve agility and coordination. To perform mountain climbers, start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion. Keep your core tight and maintain a steady rhythm for 30 to 60 seconds. Consistent practice can help you achieve a leaner, stronger physique. Exercise 4: Squat jumps. Squat jumps take the traditional squat to the next level by adding an explosive jump. This plyometric exercise is perfect for building lower body strength while increasing your heart rate for calorie burn. Squat jumps target the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, helping to tone your legs and improve overall athleticism. They also boost your metabolism, making them ideal for weight loss. To perform squat jumps, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat, keeping your chest upright and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels and jump explosively into the air, landing softly back into a squat position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements to prevent injury. Exercise 5: High knees. High knees are a simple yet effective cardio exercise that helps you burn calories and improve your cardiovascular endurance. This high-energy movement also strengthens your legs, core, and glutes, while enhancing coordination and balance. High knees are particularly effective for weight loss because they keep your heart rate elevated, making them a great addition to interval training or as a standalone cardio workout. To perform high knees, stand upright and run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible with each step. Swing your arms for added momentum and aim to maintain a quick, steady pace for 30 to 60 seconds. Incorporating high knees into your routine can help you burn fat and improve your overall fitness. These 5 exercises are simple, efficient, and can be done right in the comfort of your home. Combine them into a workout routine, and you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Which exercise will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you next time.